Hey, what's up, guys? All right, sorry. The baby woke up, and it's been a fun morning, though, huh? Hopefully, you guys made some money. Called out XPON, called out SNOA. Man, the alerts on the Discord were insane. I've got to say, man, I'm still waiting for some of this to come to fruition. I got in at 304. And we're waiting on XPON. Oh, you guys can see SNOA. I guess I should show you my full screen here, huh? There's the full screen here. There you go. So I'm sitting here at 304. I have 500 shares. So I went a little heavy. I probably shouldn't have done that, but we'll see. Maybe this will break on through. This looks like a head and shoulder pattern inverted. As you guys can see there, I drew my line for the breakout, and I got my breakout there. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Let's let the Discord know that I'm live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Cheers. Hey. Hope the volume's good for you guys. Cheers. There you go. All right. Let's see. Maybe I'll change it up a little bit. It looks like it's a little weak, so I'm not sure what is going on there. Let's go into properties here. Turn that up, up, test, test, test. Man, this thing is, I don't know why the volume's not as high as I'd like it to be right now. Let's try that. Maybe that's better. I don't know. We'll see. 304, 304. Come on now. So as you guys saw, I already made 113 bucks on this. So I'm trying to get my second, my second run here. Yeah, I didn't have 300 on that first run. I sold somewhere around here. So I posted it on the Discord. Let me see. Let's see the comments and stuff and all that good stuff here. Let's see. And it should be on the live stream here. Why is this not showing up? I am streaming. Where's my... Why am I not seeing it though? Where's my restream? There's my restream. Yo, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see, channels. Yep, streaming. Why is this one offline? Okay, that's okay. TikTok, yep, streaming. Okay, good. We're streaming everywhere. So let's see if XPON wants to go ahead and finish this inverted head and shoulder pattern and run up to here. As you can see, I've got 100 sitting way up here. So I'm hoping not to give back any of my profits today. So let's hope that doesn't happen. Still have some money to throw around, so right now I'm just trying to open up the TikTok stream so I can see the comments. And I don't know why it's not showing me that I'm live. Why won't it show me that I'm live? Because I can't read the comments. I can't read your guys' comments if you are commenting. That was one hell of a run, though. Jesus. My watch list is on fire today. All right, let's try that TikTok shit again. Okay, there we go. Oh. Yep. It's still not showing me that I'm live. That was weird. Did I get shadow banned or something else? Even worse, maybe? Are you guys seeing me live? I can't. Anybody in the Discord or are you guys on YouTube? You guys see me? This is weird. This is the first time I've had this happen. This is very weird. Sorry, guys. Let's see. I don't know. But anyways, so we're watching XPON and we're watching SNOA at the moment. You're live on Tik. Okay, cool. You're watching live on TikTok. Yeah, I can't see it, so I can't see your guys' comments right now. It's kind of pissing me off. I mean, the fact that my stock is heading down is also not making me very happy, but but that's okay because shit happens, right? Weird. I just want to be able to see your guys' comments here. Let's see, go live. Okay, it says I'm trying to go live. I wonder if I'll just close my iPad down. Maybe that'll help. Let's close it down and bring it back up. Let's see, maybe that'll help me out here. All right, so we got XPON coming down back to volume weighted average price, 296. Guys, this thing can squeeze hard. Imagine all the shorts that are up here coming down. Yeah, they think it's coming all the way back down to here, but we do have we do have good sales. So 3 million sales, loss improves, so that's great. So I do have some good feelings about this one making some moves a little later. That's why I'm still in it. 291. Don't break that VWAP, baby. Come on. All right, let's turn this back on and see what we got. How are you people out there in the YouTube world? Are you guys seeing everything or what's going on here? All right, come on, baby. Okay, good. iPad's back up. Let's check if the TikTok is working. Profile. Live. I'm trying to see your guys' comments. I can't see the freaking comments. Maybe on my phone. Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties here. Just a few of them. Just a few technical difficulties. Not feeling extremely hot today. My heart's acting a little funny. Okay, why is it not showing it here either? Anybody know anything on the Discord? Anybody tell me anything? Why, what the fuck is going on here? Because usually it'll tell me that, hey, I click on this and I can open it up and see that I am live, but it's not showing me. Just a 12-second delay. Okay. Hey, what's up, Carlos? Thank you, Carlos, for letting me know. How's the volume on TikTok or on YouTube? People were telling me yesterday that it was very quiet, so I'm trying to make sure that morning. Jay, what's up, Tan Master? All good here on YouTube and TikTok. Okay. So I don't know if I somehow I can tell people that I am not seeing the TikTok. I'm not seeing comments, so I'm sorry. Fucking crap! This is ridiculous. I don't even know. But we got XPON making a move. It's at 299 again, so it's back over 3 right there. There's $3. It tried again. So as long the key area to break for XPON is 310, 312. I put that out there on the Discord today. So that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for that big break on heavy volume. As you can see, this last candle these are 5-minute candles, by the way. Let's turn it into 1 minute so you can actually see. So here on a 1 minute, you can see that this thing came down, did a inverted head and shoulder pattern, got stopped at 319, came back down to volume weighted average price, and then kind of just putzing around. It's kind of been in a channel basically from here all the way to here. And as you can see, it is trending down right now. So I'm waiting for something to good on the volume. Perfect. That's great. Now, if we can just figure out what the hell's going on with with TikTok, it would be better. Because the reason I put this freaking thing here is so I can see, so I can see the comments. Because I don't know how to see the comments on TikTok, which is kind of shitty. But oh well. Let's see, can I pull it up on my screen here? Let's see, TikTok. Sorry, I know this isn't what you guys came on here for, to hear a guy talking about TikTok. All right, let's see. There's me. Hey, there we go. I can probably see the comments here. And there we go. I've got comments. Okay, great. That is wonderful now. Why the iPad isn't working is beyond me. Stupid TikTok. You're driving me crazy. All right, so we're at 303. Come on there. We just need to break through. Once we break through that 310, 312, we can really go for a good little run here. And that's why, like I said, you've got all my red cells up there. I'm just kind of, I'm going to adjust them as we go. Always got to take some profit on the way up, right? All right, so let me close this stuff here. Okay, and let's see if it'll let me bring this TikTok screen over in here. And it did not let me do that. Okay. 3738. Let's go, baby. Come on, get up there. All right, where can I put this so I can see the comments and stuff? Nope, that don't work. I guess I'll just leave them there. Fuck it, whatever. I just keep jumping back and forth. So sorry if I missed your guys' comments. I am doing my best here with what I got. Yesterday worked just great. I had the comments up on my iPad, and I was able to see everything. And now I'm not able to for some reason. But we'll fix that and figure it out at a later date. Let's get back into stocks here, shan't we? I think we shan't. What are you looking at? Not for you, 446. What am I looking at? What are we looking at? Stocks, man. Looking at stocks. That's what we're doing right now. We're looking at XPON, and we're looking at SNOA, and we're looking for some breakouts to happen here. Boy, I'm all over the place. Guys, I got the Discord last night, but it seems it's too late now to get in any stock. Terry, what's up, man? I saw that you subscribed. Thank you for your support. Appreciate you. So the stocks that I alerted, if you notice stocks like ATNF, if you notice yesterday, MNTS, if you notice BSLK yesterday, stocks do run all day. So if it drops below the entry and then it starts building up volume and it's moving in the right direction on heavy volume, then the play is back in play. So that's, if you will, that's what you got to be looking for if you're looking at the watch list. I was supposed to be up at 4. Yeah. Yeah, yesterday I was up at midnight. Today I'm all right. So on SNOA here, we are looking for a break of 7. Once it breaks 7, I think we could have another leg up here to about 777, 778. But that's where we're at here. I've got this thing set up. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys how I got it. Gotta change this. This is annoying as hell, but yeah, it is what it is. I guess I could put Discord on here, and then I'll watch the TikTok feed on the other side. That makes sense. That'll work great too. Yeah. Oh, first, let me share my setup with you guys here real quick so you guys can see. All right, so here is the setup. A lot of people asking what's going on, how we doing this. And that is the setup right now. Okay, so here you go. Share that to the Discord, and then that will pop up on my screen. Da, 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 da. And then I will give you guys all the information about everything that I'm using to do the live stream. So if you guys want to stream or do whatever, that's on you. Here is what my setup looks like right now. There you go. All right. And now I can show that on, if I can get my cursor out of my iPad, that'd be great. So let's see here, and there you guys go. That's what my setup looks like right now. Hey, thank you for the heart, me Cardinal. Appreciate you. So this is the big boy computer right here. It's a beast. Everything it has not had any hiccups on anything yet, and I'm amazed. This is the Stream Deck iPad. This is an old cell phone that I'm using for the stock monitor. See, stock monitor. There you go. I'm using that for that. And then this is the TikTok feed now. It was a scanner. This is also this right here. This is, where's my clicker? There it is. Okay, good. So yeah, this is the TikTok. It used to be a scanner, so I'll have to switch that back once I move that over there, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, but that's the setup. Okay. So, yeah, let's keep it going. Let me turn the Discord off on there and keep it up on my iPad here, and then put a scanner over there so I can see that. Let's do that. Perfect. There we go. Oh, God dang it. Oh man, I'm trying to stay a little quieter too, because like I said, the baby woke up, and I don't want to wake him back up. There we go. 3:14. Let's change this one to XPON, because let's zoom in on that baby. 3:15, 3:18. There we go. Come on, get those targets. Get those targets. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Let's get it. Let's get it. She's pushing, guys. She is pushing. She is pushing. Come on. I want to make that money. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. All right, so she pushed again. She's having trouble with that 317, 319. She breaks this, and we're off to the races again. Watch for the bids to stack up here. There's 316, 317. Come on. She is doing a wonderful job. And, I'm very, very lucky that, well, I shouldn't say I'm lucky. I should say maybe I'm blessed that, today is as great as it has been so far. All right, come on, push on through, baby. XPON breaking. Coffee cup looks empty. No, there's coffee in here. It's Polish dads are the best dads. See that? My son got me that. Well, actually, my wife got me it, but said it was for my son. Oh, already took my medicine, so my heart's not feeling so great, and I am sleepy as hell. But it's okay. As long as XPON goes up and hits my top target there, I will be very happy. And so, because the watch list has mostly already hit, I'm not scared or sad to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys the watch list that I posted yesterday, just so you guys can see. Just so you guys can see, I'm not full of shit. Um, Also, for those of you that have been with me for a while, please go and write a review. I mean, I think I deserve that, possibly, maybe. I don't know. I could be wrong. So I'm still holding XPON. I'm waiting for that breakout. Here is the website. Here is jrockstocks.com. And I'll show you guys the watch list that I posted yesterday. Looks like we're getting our break right now. 319. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. 319. Let's go. 320. Come on. We are almost there, guys. We're almost there. So here's jrockstocks.com. Okay. The watch list is posted every Sunday through Thursday. Here it was posted 9 hours ago. All right. And if you look at the watch list and check these stocks today, where they're at, see, posted 9 hours ago, right here. All right. There we go. 320, 324. Come on. I think I want to take this other 100 off the table here. I've got that sitting at 338. We're looking for that breakout. Look at these bids stack up, guys. This is what I was talking about. You see the bids stack up, and this thing's going to start moving. So 320, beautiful little inverted head and shoulder pattern that I saw on the 5-minute chart there. Here's the 5-minute chart. Look at that, moving nicely. Let's make 319 our floor now. That would be amazing. All right, so support becomes resistance. Resistance becomes support. That's how it works. And we are just waiting for this thing to move. Now I'm going to go back to that watch list here for you with all this fun excitement here of XPON. Here is the watch list posted 9 hours ago. You have IVP, I believe all the targets hit. You have XPON, all the targets hit. And then on the Discord, I was posting updates on new targets, and all those hit. SNOA, all these targets hit. XOS, I think all these targets hit as well, or it just came within penny or something of the last one or something like that. I can't remember. But anyways, the watch list is fire. I think if you guys are a part of the group here, you guys can vouch for me that it is fire. I think the only one that missed HTCR maybe. If you guys think the live stream is fire, if you guys think the watch list is fire, throw some fireballs in the chat on YouTube, on TikTok, on whatever you're watching me on. And I appreciate you guys. But again, if you guys want a part of this watch list, then you go to plans and pricing and you subscribe to one of these. This is monthly and this is yearly. You save 20% by signing up for the year. All right, jrockstocks.com. Again, if you have not written a review for me yet, then shame on you. I think I've answered a lot of people's questions on the Discord and on TikTok and on the website and everything. So again, follow the rules, right? I already broke one rule. I got greedy. So we'll see where this goes. Hopefully it does exactly what I was thinking it was going to do and breaks through 324 and runs up and hits all my targets here. Again, like I said, I was thinking of dropping this down probably to about here, just taking another 100 off the table here, and then I'll have 400 left. 323 is what we're looking at here. Thank you, Carlin. Thank you, Mel. Is that all the people that are actually on the 76 viewers on TikTok? Okay, I see. Where's everybody else? Are they on the Discord? Let me get this out of here. There's the rules. Remember to follow the rules. They're very important. 1, 2, 3. There's 7 of them, but 1 through 3 is the best to follow for beginners. All right, jrockstocks.com. There you go. There's my quick little commercial. All right, XPON back down to 305. So again, greedy pigs do get slaughtered. This is still looking like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. Here's one shoulder, here's the head, here's the other shoulder. It may have been a little short one, or it could be building for a bigger run. Now I am losing a little bit of money here. I'm down 20 bucks so far, but I'm still up 106 from my earlier trade this morning. All right. Some comments were filtered to protect the community. Okay. All right, let's see what is going on here. Discord's good, gains are good, people making money, that's awesome. All right, so we'll see if this thing can get back up. Again, the 5 minute looks a lot different than the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. This is a 5 minute. So the 5 minute looks less scary than the 1 minute. The 1 minute looks like it completely broke down once it hit that 320, 324. Sorry. The 1 minute just looks like it's flubbing around. Man, what a fun morning so far. So far, it's been great. And once I get this desk completely set up, it's gonna be so amazing. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, wow, that hurt. Oh, stomach cramp. I'm not crying, you're crying. All right, come on now. 307, 308. Let's go break on through. Mm. What else we got moving here? Because XPON and SNOA aren't the only ones. There's XOS. XOS is down to 464 right now, but it hit 595. Let me look at comments here. What was your buy-in, Lorenzo, on XPON? The first one? The first one, let's see, I shared that on the Discord. Let me see, where was it? Gains. My first one, my first buy-in on XPON was $2.81, and I got out at 338. And then I bought back in, as you can see, at 304. So that's what you're looking at here. So it's just hanging around my 304. As you can see, my gains over here on on this little guy right here. That's where you can see where I got in. It's currently at 302, 303. So losing about $5 at the moment. Volume weighted average price is how I'm gauging this thing. Okay, I'm watching that VWAP and just basically sitting here going, okay, if it's above it, it's bullish. If it's below it, it's bearish. It did respect my trend line here, my price level here at 256. It threw up this little doji. I want to say it was almost a hammer. Actually, you can consider that a hammer. And I was looking for a confirmation candle here. This is 5 minute chart. This didn't work out for me, so I waited a little longer, and then finally I got this candle confirmed. Little doji here, and then this big beast of a candle. So pretty good little move there. Now we're just waiting for this inverted head and shoulder pattern to work out and trap some more shorts. That's it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Devastating outcome. I was watching SNOA on my phone, accidentally bought 1,400 shares while phone was in POC. Oh my God. Holy shit, dog. That sucks, man. Ah, I mean, that right there, that is by far the worst story I've heard. I'm sorry, man. That sucks. Never trade in your phone. That cost me a fortune. It sounds like it. Sounds like it cost you a fortune. Now, technically, I think SNOA is gonna make it back up. I think it'll hit $8 again, if not more, once market opens. Remember, SNOA trapped a crap ton of shorts. I'm gonna change this to SNOA. It trapped a crap ton of shorts. I mean, look at this, guys. It came up from $3. It's sitting at $6. What do you think's gonna happen when market opens? I think there's a good possibility the shorts are going to get, what they deserve. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be mean. Am I mean? Is that mean? Me just thinking that, it'd be nice that if shorts got what they deserve. Thank you, Night Owl. Thank you, Barry. Appreciate the fireballs. Nick, so previous highs on XPO are between 320 and 330, so why shooting for 310? I'm not shooting for 310. Who's shooting for 310? What are you talking about, Nick? No one's shooting for 310. I'm sitting at 380, 338. I'm shooting at 349 and 435. That is my top price target there. Price target, my price, my take profit. Now, like I said, I could adjust. I could have adjusted there, taken a little bit more off at 320, 324 ish. But again, I think a little greed came in there and said something to me. Now, on a 1 minute, this looks like it double topped, but consistently it's having trouble with that 324, 325 on XPON. Put a little line there just so I can see it better. I came in late and didn't know you bought in below 3. Yeah, so that was the first. And then the second, now I'm at 304. This is now my second run at this thing. But I got a little overzealous, and then baby woke up, and I missed my opportunity to take profit the first time, and then it dipped down here, and I was like, oh shit, now I'm losing $100, you know. But this is just it's just the way it goes, and you trade and you trade and you trade and you learn to watch out for things like when I was learning SNOA, like I was learning XPON, you know. And I told you guys that I'm going to be extra cautious this week. This trade here does not look like I'm being extra cautious, which it may end up biting me in the ass, you know. But oh well. Yesterday was a good day. Day before was a good day. There's been some good days. So and I posted some stuff on Weeble, and we've got a few new members on Weeble, so that's cool. I'm looking for something else here. Oh my god, I didn't even turn on my voice mod. What is the matter with me? What is the matter with me? There we go. Get that off. Or not. Get over here. There we go. All right, now we got the voice mod. Let's see. Let's see if it works real quick. Let's see here. All right, so thank you for flying J-Rock Stocks Airlines. We're at a level of 3.02. That's an altitude of 3.02. We're looking to make a little, I don't know what you call it. We're going to take a detour. We're going to try to get up to 322, and then we're going to try to break right through that and go a little higher. If you guys are with me, again, throw some fireballs in the chat, or some eggplants or peaches or whatever you want to throw in the chat. That's on you. Thank you for flying J-Rock Stocks Airlines, and we will be ascending soon. I don't know. Let's go with that. I hope that came through. I don't know how the volume is on that right now because my volume was a little screwy. So hopefully that didn't hurt your guys' ears. Hopefully. Let's see, get back to TikTok and see what you guys are all saying here. TikTok, there you go. Have 1,000 at 302. Lorenzo, wow, good for you, man. I'm really hoping this thing does what I want it to do for you. Now, I'm not trading on hope, just so you guys know. Not trading on hope. It's just the patterns that are amongst us are what I'm trading. And if you were just to take just this little guy right here and draw that, you can see it's just trading in a channel, right? So this is 290, wow, 295 now. So the volume weighted average price went up. It was at 291 here, and then it went up. So that's a good sign. Again, we are looking for this thing to go up. Now, I think I could see both chats here. Let's move that. Let's close that. Where is it? There is it right here. Oh, dang. Look at that. Now I can read both chats. Beautiful. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go to that 324, break through 324, run to 349, and then run to 435. That'd be amazing. Damn it, don't drop below 3 again, you son of a... Ugh. Oh, again, at least I took a little bit of profit up there, so... Hey guys, do me a favor, hit the like, the follow, and the share. There's only 72 of you guys in here, and that is a little low for, the quality. Still not seeing anything really do much. Well, BSLK is just taking a beating. This was yesterday's fun times. BSLK is just taking a whopping. Yeah, this was alerted down here on the watch list, and then it ran to 1755. And I got to trade a little bit of it there in the morning. Made some profit on it, traded in and out a couple times, but look at this thing. It's just getting destroyed right now. That's just unfair. All right, back to let's see. How's SNOI doing now? All right, still 674. XPON still 304. How's IVP doing? IVP, yes, IVP was the one that came within 0.08 of hitting the price target of 145. That was the price target on IVP on the watch list. So it came really close. And now it's just it's fighting with volume weighted average price at 122. So we'll see where that goes. Check out IVF. Wolf Richard says IVF and Wolf. Let's see IVF. IVF it's a micro float. Its high is 1.45, so 1.4 million shares on an average traded. Currently it's at 108,000 shares traded. So I'm not I wouldn't exactly say this is popping. The move from, let's say, 176 to 184, yeah, it's not really, I wouldn't call that popping yet, guys. So breaking out, I wouldn't even call it breaking out. And well, yeah, okay, it made it past volume weighted average price, but on low volume, definitely not popping. Popping would be this right here. If it ran from 176 to 201, that would be popping. A little bit more movement like it's getting right now. Popping would be if it started to get above volume weighted average price. Right now, it's just in and out, profit taking. It's very low volume though. Still, we're only at 163,000. Popping. Zachary says ONMD. All right, let's see ONMD. ONMD, also a very low volume stock right now. Oh, these are warrants. ONMD. I didn't want the warrants. I wanted ONMD itself. So volume 7.82 million so far. Free floats 10 million. Average volumes 8 million. So it's approaching its fair value gap. If you notice this purple line I marked a while back, that is a fair value gap. 73, and then 81 is also a fair value gap. So it's getting there. So this one is popping. This is what I would consider popping. Green candles, 5-minute chart, looking really good. I'd wait for a pullback, and then we can see if maybe it can get that other fair value gap all the way up here at 110. So this is now a 1-minute chart. I changed it. So let's watch for that little break. So this is a perfect example of, okay, you watch it. All right, it popped up. There's its pullback, and you wait for it to break back above volume weighted average price. It did, and then you could have picked up a couple pennies. So now we're just waiting for this to follow through and break out some more. All right, let's see. Currently waiting on break of 323, then looking for a pullback of and confirmation on XPON, then take profit on way up. Good. That's how we are supposed to do it. And Ricardo, sorry, I forgot Wolf, WULF. WULF ran to 717. Man, I remember Wolf being a lot less than that. So good little run. Notice it used the volume weighted average price as support back here. So it is literally going to be using VWAP, the volume weighted average price, and its recent support, its recent resistance. This is its recent resistance right here, right here. And now it is using that as support. So let's see if it wants to get a good little bounce here on WULF. All right. So here you got a little doji. You need some confirmation of the reversal here. And we have XPON at 310 currently. Let's go ahead and see. Jesus, I gotta switch the scene to the double scene here, just because both of them are doing stuff right now. Was it this one? That's the double scene. I think it's this one. There we go. All right, so 314, 313, 314 on XPON. We are waiting for a break of that 322, 323. Once it breaks through that, we're golden. Over here on this side, you're basically waiting. It bounced off that support nicely, so there's your confirmation. If this thing gets a little higher, I'd love for it to close at 705, above 7. It's a huge thing for WULF. If it breaks above 7, it's going to make another high here. The 717 is the high. Where do I think it can go? I have no clue at the moment. 717. Look at that. Look at what it's having problems with there again. Look where it's at. Same shit. Different underwear. Just kidding. And look, resistance again. So resistance here, support, resistance. So it's been there before. It's been there before. We're looking for 332. I mean, 732 is the price target on Wolf. 732 on Wolf. That is price target 1. Next price target after that one hits, because it will. Next price target is going to be about 7. Let's go 760. There's 2. All right, and then if it can control itself, it'll probably get up to about 790. So there's 3 right there. There's your 3 price targets on the live on WULF, which is sitting at 709 currently. So let's go ahead and see. You know what? Damn, I'm actually a little peeved at myself that I did that. I should have went back a little further and checked if there was a fair value gap. So if this thing can't get over this, it'll double top you and come back down. If it can go ahead and and break 707, we're golden on there. What's up, Daddy Zach on the Discord? All right, let's take a look at comments here. What are we doing? XPON, the blue line touched the red line. Yes. The blue line touched the red line. Yes. I'm just happy that the blue line is now below the red line. That makes me very happy. It's going to make me happier when this thing go ahead and fills me here. Come on, get up there. 324. Remember, we got to break through that 324. Come on, man. Let's see. How is the... Yep, they're stacking. There's 323. Come on now. Get over it. Get over it. I'm really eager to take this 38 off the table here. Come on, baby. Let's go. Break. Break on through. Man, I'm enjoying these lives with you guys. It's a lot more fun. There it is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah, there's one. There's one. Let's go. Get number two. Get number two. There's number two. And oh man, what a rip. Look at that. I'm up $336 so far. We got 440 up here. We're looking for 4 now. So the next price target is going to be $4 on XPON. Guys, how awesome is that? I hope you guys are making money with me. That is freaking, that's how it's supposed to be done. That is supposed to be the way we trade. Right there. All right. How freaking rad is that? We are up a hefty amount of money for the morning, just trading gently, very gently. So hopefully that excitement did not wake the babies. Oh boy, that was fun. Come on, baby, keep on pushing. The shorts are gonna be so screwed, so screwed. Yeah, let me put a picture up here and under the comments on Weeble. Let's go in here and where's my bears? Where's my bears? Right here, right here. There's my bears. So we'll go ahead and say, ha, 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 you're screwed. Bears are so screwed. There we go. That is a very good comment. Come on, get up there. Get up there. And if you guys want to see what I posted, I'll show you what I posted. This is one of my favorite pictures. I know I'm a big goof, but I think that's why some of you hang out with me because I'm a big goof. All right, let's see. Where's my pictures? Where's Cree? I'm not seeing Cree. I hope she's doing well and partying, dancing in the kitchen or what have you. There's 102 of you in here. Thank you for hanging out. I appreciate it. And let's keep on moving here. What is going on here? Where's my bullish AF? This is driving me nuts. All right, come on now. Get up there. There we go. 358. Come on. You got $4. Get that $4. Let's go. Let's go. No whammies. No whammies. No whammies. Let's go. There we go. There's the image. Here is what I posted. How awesome is that? Yeah. Let's go. Oh boy. I love it. I hope you guys are having a good time making some money and you know, because we are what?
That was easy.
Oh boy. All right. So as you can see, it's coming back down. Now I can just take my last $100 off the table, but at this point, it's costing me not that much. And the reward is up there. So if it does hit my price target, then I will make another $133. So not bad. And I still have money to play with, so that's great. Let's keep on looking though. I'm going to keep on looking. WLGS is coming down, looks like. Man, wrong scene showing on the live. Wrong scene showing on the live. Is that, oh, was it? Was it on the, damn it, did I screw that up again? Hey guys, don't forget to go over to, hey, what's up, Matt? How you doing, buddy? Don't forget to go over to the YouTube and subscribe there. We are slowly growing there. I'd love to, by the end of this week, see 1,000 subscribers on there. If it's not possible, it's not possible. There you go, Ricardo. Hell yeah, buddy. And if you guys are on the Discord, don't forget to post your gains and support everybody in there with these gains that we're making here. There you go. Hell yeah. I love it. People doing it. Let's go. Make that money, guys. Make that money. That's right. And again, I think we're just scratching the surface on on how great this community is. Let's go. What is this, Wolf? Oh shit, it's still on Wolf. Ah, dang it, mother pucker. That's okay. You guys knew what happened, right? You guys saw XPON. There we go. Man, that was a good move. I think I'm gonna have to put some soundboard up here, or maybe close the curtain. Maybe that'll absorb some of the sound. I think that's the good call there, to just close the curtain. Yeah, no, that'll fuck everything up right now. Or leave it alone. Yeah, we'll just leave it alone. Is it still showing scene one? Let's see, scene two, maybe? What the hell is going on here? That was a beautiful little run there. Why is the scene not? There we go. The scene changed. Reminds of the G-Wave days. How does that remind you of the G-Wave days? Come on now. Look at this. Hey, she's looking for some more right here. Come on, come on, come on. Get a new high. Get a new high. Let's go. I'm telling you guys, we're doing good. We are doing a really good job here with one, the entertainment. And if you guys are on the YouTube, don't forget to put comments. Comment the shit out of that thing. I don't care if it's the same person commenting the same damn thing right now. I need to get the awareness out. That's it. You know, I help you guys help me out. Let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, who's coming down? Oh, the doggy's coming down. Did she need to go outside? You want me to let her out? You can go back upstairs. Go back to bed. All right, guys, hang on. Gotta let the doggy out. Yeah. Right. The Dutchie is outside. What I miss? No new leg up. Okay. Maybe doing a little bit of inverted head and shoulder pattern there. But also, check this out. Because didn't I call this? I called this almost perfectly. All right, we can go ahead and get this out of here. We don't need that little channel because it broke out, right? But here, check out the 5 minute on this thing. Look at this. Isn't this what a beautiful inverted head and shoulder pattern looks like? Look at that. Here, I'll even draw it for you. Just because, just because I'm feeling frisky. Oh, man. Here you go. Look, here it is. And let's just go ahead and change that to green because we don't want yellow. Look, right here. Boop. Doop. Doop. And now we're looking for a break of this right here. And that's your inverted head and shoulder pattern right there. Yeah. So now let's see that break and let's get to it. Come on, feel the, come on, go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. 302 to 338, 1,000 shares. There you go, buddy. There you go. Good for you. There's 365 right there, baby. Let's go. Let's go get that $4. Let's get that $4. Come on now. Come on. Oh boy, isn't this fun? This is fun. I'm enjoying the shit out of this. Oh man, let's go.
That was easy.
There you go. That was easy. I told you guys it's just got to break through this and it's going to keep going. And look, you can see over here, you can see right over here, you can see the bids stacking up. Unfortunately, you see these right here stacking too, but this is where more power is. More power is sitting right here right now. It's 374. Look at that, guys. I've taken this from 304 to 377 so far. So far, we're up 360 bucks. And you know what? I'll tell you one thing, and I'll tell you this right now. Okay, so don't get it twisted. Look, check this out. I'm just going to take my profit. Even though it's going to run up higher, I'm still taking my profit because we take profits. You know, we have to. There we go. We got to take profits. So I just made a good amount of money trading one stock twice and not blowing my wad. So again, I'm very happy. I'd say that I'm blessed. It hit 382. This thing was called out so early. This was a watch list stock. It's beautiful. Beautiful little head and shoulder pattern there. Um, what is that symbol? You can't see it, Sam. It's XPON. It was on the watch list. In the live right now on TikTok, how many of you guys are on the watch list? If you are, put a 1 in the comments. I'm curious. On TikTok, on YouTube, whatever. Hey, Larry, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for subscribing. That's awesome. There we go. And let's see. I'm curious how much I actually did make on XPON right now when I did take my profit there. Look at that. 382. It's still moving nicely. Let's see here. All right, so on XPON, and I share all my profits on the Discord under gains. I share all my losses there as well. Let's see, orders, and today's filled. So today's filled. Actually, I can screenshot this shit. Oh, it's bigger than this last one. I'm gonna have to share this in two because there's a lot of orders that I did today. So let's do this last one here. It'll show most of them. Look at that. Come on, baby. Let's go. So we'll go ahead and share that one. And P&L. There we go. Filled. There it is. And custom because it shows today's the 14th. Perfect. So there's the profit. Today on XPON. Nice and easy. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is Johnny. Move it up. And to the left. I don't know. Anyways, 360. 360 bucks. Easy morning. Nothing stressful. Let's look for something else. CLBT. How's CLBT doing? Or what was that other one? Was it Wolf that we were looking at? Let's see. Did Wolf hit the price targets yet? No, it came close. It hit 17. Say it's 717. Didn't quite get there yet. Let's see, what else did we look at? We looked at IVF. IVF still not doing much. How's SNOA doing? SNOA came back down to volume weighted average price. All right. So let's see. And Wolf, we already looked at Wolf. That's right. Isn't there another one that we were looking at? Oh, how's WGLS doing? I saw that pop up. That is one of those little micro penny stock thingy bobbers. Let's see here. Oops, went too far. All right. All right, that's awesome. Look at all the people that are actually in the community. That's great. I love it. That's a lot of ones. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Cree's up. What's up, Cree? We partying yet? Are you dancing in the kitchen? How are the little rugrats? Are they hanging out with you? And I want to say congratulations to to Kree's son. He made QB1, which is pretty awesome. That is freaking rad. Everybody throw some fireballs up for her son making QB1. That's freaking rad. Yo, what's up, NATO Twisted? Oh man, I like that. That's my boy. That's awesome. That is so cool. All right, here, let's push up to $4 now. Come on. Get up here. Get up here. There's 390. There's 391. Man, oh man. What a fun morning. God. In a scared market, there's stocks running. It's amazing. No problem, Cree. Thank you for everything you do. Yo, what's up, Terry? There's there is the first moderator that I ever had, Terry Holly. Everybody say hi, Terry. Hi, Terry. Oh man, XPON, what a beast. 396. There you go. Here's $4. Oh, the Bears, the poor Bears are gonna get so screwed. Oh man. Oh gosh. And this is why I don't short stocks. I don't short stocks ever. I'm bullish as fuck. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yo, yo, yo. Tornado. I know, man. I know it's you. I knew it was you. You're a twister. Where's engineering? I don't know, but the party's in here, man. The party's been going good. Again, for those of you that are just showing up in here, I'm going to show you guys the watch list that I put up yesterday, and you'll see how many stocks ran. Hey, we got a new review. Thank you. I appreciate that, Eddie. That's awesome. All right, so here is jrockstocks.com. I'm just going to leave it on this scene. I don't feel like messing with it. But here's the watch list. And because the watch list has already hit pretty much everything, I'm going to go ahead and show it. So IVP, you guys saw it hit 144. On here, my first take profit was 145, so it missed that one. XPON, well, you know where XPON is right now. It literally just touched $4. So this was here. Look at that. 260 was my third take profit on it. Entry was 209. All right, SNOA, you guys saw that it hit, I think, $8. Yeah, there you go. Take profit was 485. That was the last take profit on there. And I do update these on the Discord, so I hope you guys are catching that as well. HTCR, I believe it hit its first price target. I can't remember at this moment. We'll see. So take profit was 52 cents. That was the first one on the HTCR. And then DLPN 155. So this is the watch list, and it comes out as if you want to call my bluff and say I'm bullshitting. Here you go. This was posted 10 hours ago. All right. So that's jrockstocks.com, baby. And you have helpful links if you guys come in here. There's some helpful links in here for you if you want to look at those. That'll help you out. You don't have to be a subscriber to do that. You just become a member. Members are free. Learning Center's free. And the reason that I showed you guys this yesterday, I showed you the hammer and the hammer setup. I could pretty much show you the hammer setup here on XPON again. They're right there off of the volume weighted average price. You have the hammer candle there, and then you have this nice big green candle. That's your confirmation candle. It ate everything up, traded sideways, and boom, kaboom, and kaboom. Anyways, so that's jrockstocks.com. Hope you guys enjoyed that. All right, let's keep on going here. So XPON hit $4. So far, the volume, its average volume is 1.35 million. This beast hit we'll call it 100 million right now. So it's done the float 99 times. I'm sorry, it's done the float. Let's see, what is that? 3.2 million. So that's pretty good there. All right, man. Good job, Steve. Steve just posted that he has made $2,498 on it looks like XPON, I think. But that's awesome. Good job. I'm gonna let the dog back in. Yep, XPON in and out, 7.8% in at 7:44 a.m., out at 8:08. Look at that. Fantastic. I'm gonna let the puppy in real quick. Good girl. Oh, hi. Come here. All right. So good days, good days. All right. Let's keep looking though. Let's keep trying to find something else that's moving. And for those of you that are questioning XPON, where it's going to go or what it can do, blah, 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 blah. It does, doesn't it? So, Terry, this is the new setup. This is the way that I'm going to be doing things because most of my lives are in the morning in the dark. Um, I like to make it look like I'm sitting in a bunker or something and calling out stocks. All right, so on XPON, be very careful because right now it's pushing 375. If you got in way up here, that was a bad move. Um, if it breaks through, what is that? Damn banner, get out of here. Um, if it breaks through about 370, it'll probably come back down to about 345. Um, right here, if it trades a little sideways and then comes down, then you got a head and shoulders pattern. And what I think that might get it to do, if it does a head and shoulders pattern, it'll probably come back down to 324, 322, somewhere down here. And if that doesn't stop, then it'll come back down probably to 295. The reason I'm saying that is because that's how head and shoulder patterns have been working. It did a head and shoulders pattern back here. There it is right here. So you got your shoulder, a weird one, right? You got your shoulder, you got your head, and another shoulder, and then it came down. As you can see, it came down below volume weighted average price. And yeah, that was at 278. And then started trading sideways, fake out, again, dropped down below volume weighted average price. Did this little inverted head and shoulder pattern, and then pow. So that's pretty sick. Pretty sick, bro. Pretty sick. Let's see. Wolf hit its target yet? Nope, not yet. Wolf got up to 718, so it did another high. But be cautious that it's not double topping you, because if it is, it's going to come back down. And this can be considered right here. This can be considered a shoulder. This can be considered the head. And then the next thing is another shoulder, and it's coming down. If it can break through 710, you've got your next high, and you've got 732. There is a wall at 720 of about, or starting at 719 to about 722. It's about 25,000 shares, just so you know, on Wolf, WULF. LOL, easier to watch on here. Yes, that's awesome, man. Yeah, you can throw it up on your TV like I've heard some people do on the YouTube. And guys, like I said, if you're not on YouTube yet, get on YouTube and show me some support on there. I'd appreciate it. And still looking here, still looking. CYCU financial results. It's down. AREN. What is that? We'll leave this one on because it looks like it's about to hit that price target of 732. Oh man, I forgot to hit the button on XPON when it hit its price target. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That $4 that I called out. Let's do that. Let's just do that. Oh man, did I push the right button? Are we on scene 2? Son of a biscuit snatcher. I pushed the right button or the wrong button.
That was easy.
I'm still getting used to it. There it is. There it is. That was easy. Yeah. All right. So now we're waiting for this one to get there so I can hit that again and be happy about it. And I was saying AREN. That's what we're going to take a look at. AREN. I'd love to get into something else and make a little bit more money. So AREN, 10 million float, 4.49 thousand shares traded so far, averages 267,000. Earnings is why they moved. Earnings report So that's what it is. It was a profit surge, the revenue. What else we got? Ugh. All right, come on. Come on, Wolf. Let's go, baby. Get up there. Get up there, schnuckum knuckums. There's 717. Come on, give me that. Give me that surge. Give me that surge I'm looking for. Get up there. 720. There's your new high. 720. Come on. Come on, Wolf. Man. Walls 722. Whew, starting 722 to 725. You got about close to 20, 25, 28,000 shares. Look at this start coming down because they're selling into it. What does what does what do the comment, not the comments, Jesus Christ, the overview. Oh, look at that. Okay, so people got in 708. People got in on the 11th and now they're kind of selling into profit. 7.08. That's a lot. All right. Well, let's go back to the chart. Okay. All right, let's keep on looking here. You guys enjoying the live? You guys having fun making that money? Hopefully you are. The gains are fire. Great job. Oh yeah, I forgot to share that. I was gonna share that to the Discord. Son of a biscuit. Didn't do it. Share, save, image. Good. Discord. Gains. Do. Boom, boom. There you go. There's what I did there. And lessons on stocks at Cree School. That's awesome. Oh, come on, break through. All right, this is a 5 minute chart, by the way. So that's why it's just moving like that. If you guys are curious, let me read your comments, see if there's anything I need to address. Look at that. Thank you, Abu Adam, for sharing the live. I appreciate it. ONDS about to break. All right, we'll see. Looks like Tilray got a NASDAQ compliance extension. GLRY, it's down. A lot of things are coming down right now. I don't know why I have that one up. I should have that one up. It approached. It approached. It was coming. It was coming close. All right, so there's that. Let's see. We'll put Wolf over here. Call me nuts, but it's working. It's trying. I don't know what that was. I just saw. What's up with the Discord, or not the Discord? What's going on with TikTok here? I'm trying to put you on the TV now. Cree, you can do that with the YouTube, probably better. Captain Brian making money, good for you. Is J-Rock froze for everybody or just me? It looks like the stream's having some issues. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe my internet is crapping out on me. Speaking of my internet, where is my speed test? How much more money do I have to play? Oh my god, I still have plenty of money to play with. Woo-hoo. Looks fine to me on TikTok. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, okay, so you guys are okay. Michelle Burns, it froze, but it's back now. Maybe I have too many things going at once. That could be it. That could be it. Possibilities are endless. Boom. Close that. We'll keep that open. Keep that open. It's probably my internet. My internet's probably just crapping out on me. Thank you guys. Thanks for hitting those likes, the follows, and the shares. Let me check restream. Where is it? It's right here. How's the channels looking? Streaming, streaming. Good, good, good. All right. Looks like everything's okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Come on, XPON, get back up there. Let's do some bear crushing. Stinky Pinky, what's up, buddy? It's fine on your end. No problems. God, face itches. Oh, I touched the dog. That's right. What else we got? TPIC, rapid increase, nothing there. BKTI. BKTI. Let's take a look at BKTI. What is it doing? Nothing. No volume. Forget BKTI. For some reason, it popped up on the momentum scanner and did absolute dog shit. Didn't do anything. Somebody said ONDS. 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 Wow. Damn. I mean, it was doing pretty okay, right? Trading sideways here at 367. Didn't get through it. Got beat down more. Yeah, so that's not looking so hot. This is one of my buddies right here. I love this stock. I love that stock for what it did today. That was glorious. DLPN is taking a dunk too. I just saw it had a I saw they put that it was coming down. DPLN. DLPN. DPLN. Nope. Why can't I think right now? Jeez. DLPN. There we go. Yeah, so it also came down. So it was trading sideways. Couldn't very well get through 147, 145, 147. Couldn't break through that. Broke through its support. Its support was 135. We are getting closer to 6 a.m. So that's probably the reasoning behind that. So if you look at Wolf back to 715. Remember, it's got to break that 717, and then it could probably get 732. It's been one pennying this high of the day consistently. Let's see. BMR A looks good, but low volume. Vladimir, thank you. What do you think bullish is going to do? Well, not sure. I didn't really follow the IPO. I know that there was a couple people in the Discord that were all over it and got in and made some good money there. How's BTAI doing? BTAI might actually be doing okay. It kicked ass the other day. Went up to $8 and it's been coming down ever since. All right. That was awesome though. I really think some good people made some good money on that one. Let's take a look at. Oh, God. There's BMRA coming up. Good alert there. Thank you, Vladimir. I believe that was Vladimir. Yep. Vladimir said BMRA. Good alert. It's bounced off a volume weighted average price. Here's the 1 minute. Did a double bottom here. 1, 2. You can consider this a bottom. And 3. It breaks through 464. It's gonna go. Where's it gonna go? Let's take a look. All right, so if it breaks through 464, possibilities of 550, okay, 477. All right, yeah, so that's a solid area of resistance for it at 460. Man, oh man, there we go. Let's see, where's this? 570. What's this one? $5. Okay, so it breaks that 464. $5 is probably where it's gonna end up. Might bump its head there. I don't see any fair value gaps, don't see anything like that, so that's all right. We don't have to, right? But beautiful move. These dojis on resistance are not a good sign. That's a sign of weakness there. Yeah, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Good stuff. Lots of good stuff today. Lots of good stuff. I'm still looking for something that's fairly inexpensive. Let's see. Go here and let's go back to this one and let's put Wolf on here because Wolf is trying now. Again, little inverted head and shoulder looking pattern here. Break this and we got it. Come on. And we got ourselves a 725 coming, breaking through these walls here. Here it goes. There's 721, 722, 23, 25. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 725. I told you there was a big wall there, right? And look, 725. Come on, Wolf, get that price target. 732 is what we're looking for on Wolf. Oh, it's eating it up. It's going to be a big jump, I think. I think it'll jump 725. I think it'll get up like, I don't know, 10 cents. And we'll see if I'm right. There's 725. Come on. Break on through that 725. And we have 727. Let's go. 28. Come on. 5 more pennies. Give me 5 more pennies. And 5 more pennies. Can't give me 5 more pennies? Come on.
Come on, give me 5 more pennies. Let's go. We're looking for some altitude here. We've got 729. We're looking for 732. We're at 730. We're approaching our destination. Ladies and gentlemen, we have hit our price target.
That was easy.
And there you go. That's how you do that. Hope you enjoyed the flight. Next price target is going to be about 759. Please keep the excitement down to a minimum. Trading is a form that takes place when you are unemotional. So please keep your emotions down, and you'll make money trading stocks. Peace.
I'm a goober. I'm sorry. I'm a goober. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Abu Adam, OMND. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and change the scene back to the other one, where you get to see both charts so that we can go ahead and talk about ONDS while Wolf goes and hits its next price target at 759. But look at that. Look at how close it comes, and how slow it takes to get there. Inverted head and shoulder, and boom. You learn your patterns, and it will help you trade. Whoa, what is this? So Wolf. Okay, so this is what happened with Wolf. Wolf has earnings call. They rescheduled it. AI hosting agreement and data center expansion. Here comes 759. Here we go. Let's go. Where are we going? Man, oh man, Wolf is doing well. Force, it's 747 right now. And it is 547 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So that is very on track with what we're. I look for signs in life, and when things like that line up, it's just funny. There's 749. We're about 10 cents away from our next price target. All right, 9, 8, I'm 7. There we go. Ah, come on. All right, I'm going to look at ONDS on this one here for Abu Adam. ONDS, not BS. ONDS. All right, ONDS. Let's see, 350. Well, it's got a fair value gap that it created in pre-market this morning at what is that? 367. We are gonna say that this thing's volume is definitely taking a shit. I mean, it went from trading about 45,000 there, 200,000 there at what was that? 801. Yeah. Okay. So that was 501. All right. So there is a possibility it can come out of this little dive that it took down to 350. If it can break 356 with good volume, I think you'll be okay. You'll probably get up to your volume weighted average price and maybe just a little over. If it breaks 364, then you'll get 367, and hopefully it goes right through that. But you need a lot of volume. Hey, look at that. 754. We are almost there. We are on the way up, and we have our target. Come on. Come on, let's get that target. Come on, come on, come on. Dun, 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 dun. I can't sing. I'll get in trouble for singing. Thank you very much. What's a high volume? So you look at there we go. That's what I'm talking about.
That
Let's
was
go.
easy.
Price target acquired exactly to the T, 759 on Wolf. Acquired. Literally, I don't know how I do it. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know. I'm gonna just stretch, hopefully not pass out. Oh God. Sorry. Good God. You're in the wrong room if you want to talk about crypto. That's the wrong channel. No talking crypto in here. No, thank you. There we go. Just give me my money. Made $62 on Wolf. Good job, buddy. Good job. That's what I'm talking about. 62 bucks. Hell yeah. That's what we're here for. We're here to make money and friends. Well done, sir. Well done. Fire. All right. So let's keep on looking for something that's got some movement. Ooh, more, more, more. We want more. And again, look where this thing came from. So what do you think is going to happen at open? I mean, because the shorts that were in here at 535 had no freaking clue that in the morning it was going to do this. And they can't do anything. So they're going to have to cover because they're going to be screwed. They're going to be losing a lot of money. So hopefully at market open, this thing moves up a little bit. The only problem with Wolf is that the free float is 281 million. Oh, Abu Adam, I thought I already gave you thoughts on ONDS. ONMD. ONMD. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. ONMD. Here we go. ONMD. Kind of the same situation. Um, you should have seen this coming. So you've got your head and shoulder pattern there. It always works. I'm telling you, the head and shoulder pattern and cup and handles are some of the most accurate patterns that happen on a chart. And I've heard that, hey, a cup and handle or inverted head and shoulder or head and shoulder pattern doesn't work on a 1 minute candle. Well, it does, because look, it did it here and it came down. Now, could this be doing a inverted head and shoulder pattern now after this little double bottom here? It could very well be doing this right here. It could be saying, okay, well, let's see. We one, we two, right? And it could be doing that. The only problem that it's going to have is this little booger right here. Okay, that's a pain in the butt. Another pain in the butt's right here. Volume weighted average price. That's going to be a pain in the butt. And then obviously, if you're looking at this pattern, what you're going to need is it to hit here, trade a little sideways, and then go. That's why this other shoulder's here. But that shoulder's going to have to come up. But that right there. That's, oh my God, I'm on the wrong scene. I'm a son of a gun. I'm a son of a gun. I'm sorry. I drew and talked for nothing on that one. That is my bad. And I will fix it right now. I'm tired, guys. You gotta understand. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm old and cranky, and yeah, still on Wolf. Thank you, Mike, for letting me know that. Oh my! I'm also here to entertain you guys and make you laugh. That was not what I was trying to do there, but I did it. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, so here we are looking at Wolf. Okay, so Wolf, you've got this little problem here. This is a problem. That's going to be a problem for Wolf. Another problem you have is this guy right here. That's going to be another problem for Wolf. Okay. The good part about Wolf is that possibly it might be doing a inverted head and shoulder pattern after it did this one. So here's an inverted head and shoulder pattern working here, right? That's that. That sucks. But then on the flip side of that is a little double bottom here. You got the double bottom. You need this thing to continue to move, make the other shoulder, and then go up and break through these guys right here. Okay. It does work. The inverted head and shoulder patterns work. There's your inverted head and shoulder pattern there. If it does this and creates the next shoulder. If it doesn't, then it's probably going to come back down to these guys right here. Right back to where it started. 477. So 4.477. Jeez. I'm sorry. All right, so there you go. ADN's looking good. You guys are trading before open. Bradley Curtis. So this is pre-market. Yes, so pre-market you have some fun volatility. Shorts can't play with it. It's fantastic. No problem, Abu Adam. No problem. All in all, I would love ONMD to get back up to volume weighted average price for you. That would be great. All right, so there's Wolf. Let's see. How is BMRA doing? Hey, look at that. BMRA moved up to $5.14. Not a bad little move off this double bottom here. So you got one bottom, two bottom, and it just continued to go. Once it broke through volume weighted average price here, again, off this doji. Beautiful move. Top wick, I'd be careful. Do you think Intel is ever going to reach again, or is new tech coming in to replace? Intel, yeah, Intel is being I feel like Intel is being replaced. I mean, Apple switched from Intel to Silicon, um, and to be honest, I mean the I'm using a M4 chip in my MacBook Pro, and the M4 chip is badass. I mean, this thing's flying through things. I have not had one issue with the computer yet, and I've pushed and pushed and pushed. Um, I've I've literally had like 20 windows open at once, streaming. I've had multiple trading platforms running in the background, scanners, and nothing. I've got right now I have two monitors connected to it. I'm gonna switch these little guys out probably and put my bigger monitors on here, just so I have more space for windows for reading comments and things like that. But are you actually buying and selling stocks? I thought you couldn't. Yes, you can. So, Bradley, you can buy stocks in pre-market as long as you set your orders as EXT orders. So, if I were to want to buy this stock and I wanted to place an alert or create a new order, can't see it, but I'll move it up here so you can. So, here you go. It's on the screen. I think you can see it. I'm gonna, I'm gonna look here. Thank you for blocking the coach. So on my screen, it's not showing. Let's see. Let's see if TikTok will let me watch the live on the iPad. Nope, it won't let me. That sucks. Because I can't tell if you guys can see this right now. Can you guys see this? Bradley on YouTube, can you see the order entry that I put up here? Yes. Okay, good. Thank you, Mel. Okay, so here's the order entry. Your limit, you're only allowed to trade limit or buy and sell limit in pre-market. So you have to set this. So you have good to close or good to canceled. And then over here you have include extended hours. This is on Weeble. On Thinkorswim, whatever, bro. Hey, there we go. There's BMRA making another move for a new high. Currently it's 504.59. Here comes the new high. Probably going to go to about 540, maybe 537 before it decides to take a break. There's 524. All right. So yeah, you have to have on Weeble, you have to have this it's called EXT. And that's the only way you'll be able to trade. So just let you know there. Let's see. So I don't screw up my screen. Perfect. There we go. Cool. All right, so it hit 525. What a beautiful, beautiful looking chart. So it pushes up, comes down, pushes up. So it's doing higher highs, higher lows. That is what you want out of a chart. That is what you want to see. I'm still looking for something that's nice and inexpensive to get into because I've got a couple bucks still burning a hole in my pocket. You're glitching sometimes on TikTok. Really? I wonder if it is my internet. I'm curious. I am curious. TRIB. Let's take a look at TRIB real quick. They have a preeclampsia test approved. So they have an approval. Well, I should probably get rid of that so I don't accidentally put an order in. All right, so it's a 16 million free float. Average is a 1 million traded 3-month average. Volume is 143,000 so far. On a stock like this, if the volume craps out, you're stuck in it. All right, so it's moving nicely. It broke through 118. Let's see where it can go, possibly. With my coffee cup so I don't spill that shit on myself. My previous drawings. All right, so 133 is where it's at now. Whoa, whoa, geez. Okay, let's go back here. Let's see. Hey, there we go. All right, let's take a look here. So currently 135, it can probably get up to that 164, but it has a big wall at 148, 150, 10,000 share wall. So we wait for a pullback and we might get in and try to make a little bit of, whoopsies. And we try to make a little bit of money on this one. This is a 30-minute chart. Let's go back to 1 minute. Again, you wait for pullbacks and then you get in. You guys do you. I won't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but I think we can get a good little run, maybe up to, what is this? We're 120, so we can do about that much. And buy, and come on, buy me in, 120. There we go. Oh, it didn't buy me in yet. Come on, get in there. Don't be shy. Oh, man. All right. Well, I'll chase up a little bit, I guess. There you go. All right. So now we're in at 126. We're going to look for about we'll say 147. Maybe get about 20 cents there. And we'll go ahead and put that in there at 147. We'll see if she wants to go ahead and push up to that. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. Am I glitching badly there? It's not a JRox issue, but it's a TikTok problem. Ah, okay, it's a TikTok. I like that. I like it better if it's a TikTok problem. Yep, we'll go with that. Cool, cool, cool. So right now we are watching. We're trying to see if this this test that this thing had approved is going to help it to run up and hit that price target of about 147. That's what we're looking for here. See if we can make a couple bucks. Nothing crazy, you know. I bought 400 shares at 126, so that's just like 500 bucks. Let's see what happens here. And we got 136 there. 139 is the high that it's had so far. So we're not asking for much. We did buy it on that pullback. Unfortunately, it didn't want to fill me at 120, so I carried it up a little bit to 126. We'll see if it gets that 147 and just, you know, gives me a little bit more profit for the day. That'd be nice. Come on, push on through. Push, 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 push. Here's a new high. There you go, 142. We're about 5 pennies away from reaching our destination here.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take a look at the screen. You'll be noticing on your right, on the right chart there, you'll be noticing that we're approaching our destination of 147. It's currently at 138. We can possibly get up to 147. As long as the volume stays strong, which it currently is, we'll go ahead and get up there. We're at 145, and we are almost out. We're so close, we can almost taste it. We hit 145. My sell is set at 147. We're still currently just waiting for that area of take profit. Oh man, let's go. And we are set for departure, and there we go.
That's what we call making money the easy way. It just tickles. It just tickles. When it works, guys. When it works, it works. Hope you guys made some money too, because, well, that was
That was easy.
that was very easy. It was. And look, it literally hit 147. Yeah, I know. I know. I know. You guys having fun? If you're having fun, throw some fireballs in the chat, and you people in the YouTube spectrum, throw some whatever you can throw into the chat. Send me some comments, guys. I'm really looking forward to my goal, if we can get to my goal, is to hit 1,000 on YouTube, and currently we're at 26,000 followers on TikTok. So we're trying to get that up to 30,000 here by the end of this month. So that's the goal. Now that I'm streaming this way, where you guys can actually see the screen a lot better. Why was your price target 147? Because I looked at support and resistance and realized that the resistance was at 150, and it hit that resistance several times back in the past. And that's where my price target was, because typically people don't take profit at 150, they take profit at 147, because there are more and more and more traders out there, and a lot of them just want to scalp the shit out of the market like we do. So a lot of what you guys see me do and call the targets that you see me call out, it's all because of experience. I've been doing it since 2012, and I've been seeing trends in the market. And before, take profit, let's say I saw the resistance at 150. Before, my take profit would have been 149. But because I've noticed people taking more profit at 149, to make sure that I can get out, I take profit at 147, which is an extra 2 pennies below what everybody else would be taking profit at. So that's why. Hopefully that answered your question. I am not seeing any new comments on YouTube. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to just stop doing YouTube. I'm just kidding. I won't stop doing YouTube. I'm just trying to build that. So SPIR. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh man, allergies are fierce today. So itchy. All right. I'm sure you guys want the second price target on TRIB. Now be careful with TRIB though, okay? Because it's still not doing a whole lot of volume, which means there might not be a whole lot of eyeballs on it. And as you can see, it's slowly creeping up. Maybe at market open, which is in about 21 minutes, you'll see a little bit of movement. But remember, there's also going to be profit takers and there's going to be bears that are going to be shorting the shit out of it. So just be careful. Target on it, probably going to get up to about 182. I'd say 182 is a good safe spot for it to get to. And if you notice, I'm not frazzled at all by taking profit at that 147 and seeing it go up to 162. It doesn't bother me. BSLK bothered the hell out of me yesterday because I did not foresee it going to $17 yesterday. I did not see that happening, but it did. Just an update on XPON. XPON's at $3.75. SNOA is at just pushing that $6. It's at $5.99 right now. Ah, so itchy. We are watching TRIB on the right side, and ONMD is back to its support at 51. Be careful when it breaks that. It could come all the way back down to these little lines right down here, around 47 cents, 46 cents. XOS took off pre-market. Yes, it did. It was on the watch list. There you go. And that price target hit again. Wow. Oh, wow.
That was easy.
Can you believe it? Oh man. So there's 189. Um, let's see where it can go again. That's because I can't remember anymore. I can't remember how far it's gone. But there's 190 that it's at right now. All right. Oh, fair value gap. It's at fair value gap. I did not see that fair value gap earlier. 192 is fair value gap. Next one above that, you're going to be looking at about 220 if it can break through this. So there's your fair value gap being filled right there. Your next one, like I said, is about 220. So if it can get to 220, pretty freaking rad. And again, still not bummed at all. Let's go ahead and get that out of here. So price target acquired, and that would be pretty amazing if it can break through that fair value gap at 220 and get up to about 254. That would be rad. Right now it's sitting at 193. Let me mark that other fair value gap up here. Yeah, just filled that one, so we don't really give a crap about that anymore. And let's go back here. There we go. There's 208, 215. It is pushing that 220. Look at that TRIB. Man, I put you guys on another runner. Look at that. Is that fun? That's good. That's good. Good job, Jarek. Good job, man. Thanks. Hey, Walter. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Look at that. Some comments on YouTube. Love it. Oh, man, I'm getting tired. I'm getting so tired. Ugh. The stream is doing well, I think. I think this is a lot of fun. Hopefully I can get you guys all making some money here without, without any financial advice, because this is not financial advice. But yeah, so TRIB, the reason it's moving is because it has preeclampsia test approval. Uh, how is Wolf doing now? I think Wolf is still making a move. Here's Wolf. All right, so 770 is where Wolf hit. Let's see. Let's see. So it hit first target, hit second target, and it's pushing towards its third target at 792. WULF. That was Vladimir that called out that one. So that was a good call out by Vladimir. Thank you. Man, oh man. TRIB's up 105%. Ooh, big hit. Big hit on Wolf. Somebody took some profit. It's because it's 614. There are a lot of people taking profits. If you guys aren't yet following me on TikTok, go ahead and hit the follow, the like, the share, all that fun stuff. There's 101 of you in here. Work got in the way of getting into that one. Damn it. Ah, Captain. It's okay. There's going to be other ones. Don't worry. Wolf is going back up. Yeah, Wolf will go back up. Just standard operating procedure is that right around 615, 620 is when this thing starts getting a little crazy, weird. Same with other stocks. They get a little stupid around that time. NEGG TRIB still moving up nicely. Let's look at TRIB again. There you go. There's your 220. It hit 220. Look at that. Let's just call it what it is. Let's call it what it is. Price
That was
target has
easy.
been acquired, and we enjoy that. Yep. Don't forget to take your profits, guys. That is something that people need to start doing. It's how you make money in this game, especially in a tough market. It's been a tough market. People are scared. People don't know what they're doing yet. What is that stock? What is the stock talent? The stock is TRIB, and it is going to push to about what did I say? 50, 252, something like that. 250. Yep. I'm not getting into anything at this moment because it is too close to market open for me. So I'm going to go ahead and save some money and have a little bit of money to play with a little later. Ugh. Hopefully I can make some more gains. But so far for the day, here this early morning, we're up $442. So I will take that all day long. 442 for what? Sitting at my desk. I have an autoimmune disease, for those that don't know. Not having to worry about getting sick or catching anybody's, you know, nasties. I get to hang out with my dog because she's down here hanging out with me. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I might actually get off the live a little early. I don't think I need to sit and wait for market open because, you know, got to hang out with the family, and we'll see what time baby wakes up. But I got to take the other little monster to school. And yeah, I don't know if you guys enjoyed this live, and go ahead and let me know. I do post videos of the live stream. Like if you look at my profile on TikTok, you got MNTS on there. I've got to post yesterday's. Was that yesterday's fun? Was MNTS yesterday? Yes, it was. So I will post another video of this live stream on TikTok as well. If you guys can help me out and hit the like, the follow, and the share, and all that fun stuff, that would be amazing. But TRIB up 130%. That's a pretty good little thing to put you guys on really bright early in the morning. And yeah, hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys either